Most people think entrepreneurship is only for business owners, but here's the truth. Every teen needs to learn entrepreneurial skills, even if they never start a business. Why? Because the skills that make great entrepreneurs, problem solving, creativity, leadership, are the same skills that lead to career success, financial independence, and lifelong confidence. Stay until the end for a quick challenge that will instantly boost a teen's entrepreneurial mindset. Reason 1. Entrepreneurship teaches problem solving and critical thinking. Entrepreneurs don't wait for solutions, they create them. How this helps in any career. Entrepreneurs learn how to think on their feet and solve problems creatively. Problem solvers stand out in job interviews, school, and leadership roles. Critical thinking helps in everything, from budgeting to handling challenges at work. Quick fix. Give a teen a simple challenge. Find a way to make $20 in 24 hours without asking for it. Watch their creativity kick in. Reason 2. Entrepreneurship builds confidence and leadership skills. Confidence isn't something people are born with. It's something they build by taking action. How this helps in any career. Entrepreneurship teaches how to pitch ideas and speak with confidence. Leadership skills help in job interviews, networking, and career growth. Strong leaders get promotions faster and earn higher salaries. Quick fix. Have teens practice selling something, anything. It could be an old video game, a handmade bracelet, or even an idea to their friends. The experience builds confidence fast. Reason 3. Entrepreneurship teaches financial independence. Most adults rely 100% on a paycheck. Entrepreneurs learn how to create multiple streams of income. How this helps in any career. Understanding money-making skills prevents paycheck-to-paycheck stress. Teens who learn how to make money outside of a job have more financial freedom. Knowing how to sell and market increases career opportunities. Challenge teens to find one way to make $50 this month without a job. Babysitting, freelancing, reselling clothes. Watch how they start thinking differently about money. Reason 4. Entrepreneurs learn how to handle failure and keep going. Most people fear failure. Entrepreneurs use failure as a learning tool. How this helps in any career. Resilience is the key to long-term success, whether in school, work, or life. Learning to adapt to challenges makes people stand out in leadership roles. Failure teaches valuable lessons that make success easier in the future. Quick fix. Have teens write down 3 times they failed at something and what they learned from it. This simple mindset shift makes failure a stepping stone instead of a roadblock. Reason 5. Entrepreneurs learn networking and communication skills. The biggest opportunities in life come from who you know, not just what you know. How this helps in any career. Knowing how to talk to people opens doors to better jobs, mentors, and opportunities. Entrepreneurs learn how to build relationships that lead to success. Networking leads to internships, scholarships, and unexpected career growth. Quick fix. Have teens practice introducing themselves to 5 new people in different environments. Job fairs, local events, or even online. This simple exercise builds social confidence.
Reason 6. Entrepreneurship teaches the value of hard work and persistence. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. How this helps in any career. Entrepreneurs learn that success isn't instant, it comes from persistence. People who work harder and smarter achieve their goals faster. Employers value employees who take initiative and solve problems without being told. Quick fix. Challenge teens to set a personal goal for the next 30 days and track their daily progress. Whether it's saving money, building a skill, or improving grades, persistence is key. Reason 7. Entrepreneurs think big and create their own opportunities. Most people settle for what they're given. Entrepreneurs create what they want. How this helps in any career. Thinking outside the box leads to unique career opportunities. Entrepreneurs don't wait for permission, they make things happen. Even employees with an entrepreneurial mindset rise to leadership roles faster. Quick fix. Have teens write down their dream job or lifestyle, then brainstorm how they could create it instead of waiting for someone to offer it to them. The Entrepreneurship Challenge. Apply these skills now. Even if a teen never starts a business, learning entrepreneurship changes the way they think, work, and succeed in life. Challenge. Pick one skill from this video and start practicing it this week. Share this video with another parent or teen. Want more money smart skills? Watch this next video.